Miss Toa, number one.
Water, and I need a water cool down to 184 Fahrenheit.
184 degrees Fahrenheit. Get to cool that water down. And
I put fine grind 1.5 gram.
okay.
And 25 gram medium coarse.
25 gram medium coarse.
Coarse. It's hard.
Okay.
It's hard to say for me.
Okay. yeah,
Coarse.
that's a complex series of
Yeah, right. And
consonants.
it gets 184. Start the timer. I pour 150 gram.
Start the timer.
So everything has to be exact measurements.
Yes.
Ah.
She's from Japan. It's what we do.
This is
I don't know.
my
AeroPress has to be exact.
winning recipe. That's why.
It's
If you don't need to weigh, you don't have to weigh up.
Yeah.
Just enjoy.
Everything measured:
Yeah.
weight, water,
This
temperature.
is the way I want.
Yeah. Well, that's what we want. Number one winning AeroPress coffee.
Number one.
You pay for that.
I pay for the show. I don't drink the coffee, so.
I pay for the show. Okay.
Yes.
Lois pay for that coffee.
Yes.
She's gonna drink it.
Yes, I am. I certainly am.